Hello friends, welcome back to a new videos on Ashwa old coins. The 2000 P Sacagawea $1 coin is part of a series issued by the United States Mint to honor Sacagawea, a Shoshone Native American woman who played a crucial role in the Lewis and Clark expedition. Below is a comprehensive overview, blending both the history of the coin's design and the significance of the individuals and events it commemorates. The Sacagawea dollar was introduced in 2000 by the United States Mint as part of an effort to replace the aging Eisenhower dollar and the Susan B. Anthony dollar, both of which had failed to circulate widely. These earlier dollar coins were often confused with quarters because of their similar size and appearance. The United States Mint sought a fresh design to reinvigorate the dollar coin, and this led to the creation of the Sacagawea dollar. The coin is 26.49 millimeters in diameter and weighs 8.1 grams, with a composition of 88.5% copper, 6% zinc, 3.5% manganese, and 2% nickel. The 2000 P Sacagawea dollar was minted in Philadelphia and features a distinctive design that celebrates both the history and accomplishments of Sacagawea and the expedition she participated in. The obverse of the coin features an elegant portrait of Sacagawea, created by artist Glenna Goodacre. The design shows Sacagawea holding her infant son, Jean-Baptiste Charbonneau, in a cradleboard. Sacagawea's face is depicted with dignity and grace, and her clothing reflects the traditional Native American attire of the time. The word Liberty is inscribed at the top, with the year 2000 at the bottom. The mintmark P for Philadelphia is also found on this side. Reverse design. Backside, the reverse of the coin features a soaring eagle, designed by artist Thomas D. Rogers. The eagle, representing the strength and freedom of the United States, is depicted with its wings spread and tail feathers outstretched. Above the eagle is the inscription United States of America, and below it, the coin reads E pluribus unum and $1. The reverse design reinforces the theme of national unity and strength. The Sacagawea dollar was produced with the goal of increasing its use in everyday transactions, yet it did not achieve the level of popularity that the U.S. Mint had hoped for. One of the key reasons for the coin's low circulation was that the public was not familiar with its design and did not immediately recognize it as a dollar coin. Additionally, the coin was often overshadowed by paper money and other coin denominations. The 2000 P Sacagawea dollar was released into circulation, but many of these coins were quickly removed and set aside as collector's items. However, the Sacagawea dollar did find some limited circulation in vending machines, transportation systems, and other specialized uses. The coin was made in large quantities during its first year of issue, with over 500 million coins struck. Sacagawea was born in the early 1780s, likely around 1788, in what is now Idaho. She was a member of the Shoshone tribe, and at the age of around 12, she was captured by a rival tribe, the Hidatsa, and eventually became a part of their community. In 1803, she was married to a French-Canadian fur trader named Toussaint Charbonneau, and in 1804, she joined the Lewis and Clark expedition as an interpreter and guide. Her knowledge of the land, languages, and survival skills helped the expedition navigate the Western Territories, and she played a key role in facilitating communication between the explorers and Native American tribes they encountered. Sacagawea's accomplishments during the expedition are legendary. She helped the expedition navigate the treacherous terrain of the Rocky Mountains, secured essential supplies from the Shoshone people, and acted as a diplomat between various Native American tribes and the explorers. Her presence was also symbolic, as she demonstrated that women and Native Americans were integral to the success of the American frontier. Sacagawea's legacy as a symbol of courage, resilience, and service has made her an iconic figure in American history. Her contribution to the Lewis and Clark expedition is now widely recognized, and her image has been immortalized on this dollar coin as a tribute to her role in shaping the nation's history. While the Sacagawea dollar received initial interest as a unique and historic coin, it was eventually replaced by the presidential $1 coin program in 2007, which featured portraits of U.S. presidents. However, the Sacagawea dollar is still legal tender and remains a part of U.S. coinage. In 2009, The design of the Sacagawea dollar was altered to feature new reverse designs in celebration of Native American contributions to the country. The 2000 piece Sacagawea dollar stands as a representation of the first release in this series and remains a valuable collectible item. Sacagawea's journey with the Lewis and Clark expedition took her through many of the western United States' most rugged and uncharted regions, including parts of what are now Montana, North Dakota, South Dakota, Wyoming, and Idaho. Sacagawea's knowledge of geography, natural landmarks, and tribal territories helped the expedition chart its course, avoid conflicts, and navigate the challenging terrain of the American wilderness. The expedition was commissioned by President Thomas Jefferson after the Louisiana Purchase in 1803, which doubled the size of the United States. Jefferson wanted to explore the vast new territories to the west, establish trade routes, and gain information about the region's geography, natural resources, and indigenous peoples. The expedition set out from St. Louis, Missouri, in May 1804, led by Captain Meriwether Lewis and Lieutenant William Clark. Sacagawea's journey. Sacagawea's knowledge of Native American languages, cultural practices, and geography was invaluable to the expedition. She acted as a guide, translator, and intermediary between the expedition members and various Native American tribes they encountered, such as the Shoshone, Mandan, and Nez Perce. Her involvement in the journey helped foster peaceful relations with these tribes, which were essential for the expedition's success. The role of the Shoshone people, Sacagawea's native tribe, the Shoshone, lived in the mountainous regions of what is now the western United States, particularly in areas that would become Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. Her ability to reunite with her tribe during the expedition was critical to the success of the journey. She helped Lewis and Clark secure horses and supplies from the Shoshone people, which enabled the explorers to continue their journey across the Rocky Mountains. Crucial in mapping out the geography of the western United States, providing the first detailed information on the Missouri and Columbia rivers and the Rocky Mountains. The information gathered during the expedition laid the groundwork for future American expansion and settlement in the West, a process known as Manifest Destiny. The 2000 piece Sacagawea $1 coin represents more than just a piece of currency. It symbolizes the contributions of Sacagawea and the importance of her role in American history. Through her participation in the Lewis and Clark expedition, Sacagawea helped shape the destiny of the United States, and her image continues to inspire pride in the nation's Native American heritage. The coin's design is a lasting tribute to Sacagawea's legacy, and despite the Sacagawea dollar's limited circulation, it remains a collector's item that honors her pivotal role in the history of the United States. Her story continues to resonate as an emblem of strength, resilience, and the indispensable role that Native American women have played in the country's development.